All right, what we have here is Motorguide trolling motor, 30-pound thrust. And what we got mounted on it is a Wedge, Minn Kota Weedless Wedge propeller. Now the propeller is a little longer than that. What I had to do was the inset, this is a 3 1/4 inch hub on the propeller, 3-inch hub on the Motorguide. I had to grind off with a Dremel, and then I've leveled it out with sandpaper, the inset edge that fits in the Minn Kota. Once I leveled that all out, it was still hitting. I had to take, and if you'll see on the inside, I had to bevel the inside to make it work. It works just fine now. I've hooked it up, double tested it. And in this day and age where I could not, in my area, or even order, because it was all on back order, a prop for my trolling motor, I had to make do. So this fit on there with that. And I went ahead and used because it wouldn't fit inside there, used a nut and a bolt. I know they're stainless on there, but I went ahead and also used blue Loctite to seal them in place. So yes, it can be done with a little patience. And good luck if you try to do it yourself. I found it wasn't too hard, just a little time consuming.